They are bored with the person that they chose over you. This person that you're dealing with is admitting to themselves about how they feel about you. In the past, they were very closed off emotionally. And in the now and moving forwards, it's as if this individual is being at peace with the fact that they do have strong emotions for you. In the past, they were in the King of Swords energy, very closed off, detached, you know, isolating towards you. They acted as if they didn't have any feelings towards you. But this individual is coming to terms with the fact that how they feel for you is very strong, very intense. And they often think about you. And I feel like it's quite scary for this individual because they manifested you in. Whether or not they believe in manifestations is another story, but the more they think about you, the more they manifest you back into their life. And they got this feeling of when pigs can fly, like it's never going to happen in this life. You are their ideal. And they were taken aback to face their manifestations, which is you. You tick a lot of boxes for this individual. Beauty, brains, charm, wit. You have everything they could ever imagine. And there's the energy of this person thinking, why me? And you're probably thinking, why not? And you may have felt like you wasted time trying to convince this person that they were worthy and deserving of your love, and you may have grown bored. You may have felt like this connection was one-sided, but you were wrong. This person is deeply in love with you. They're ready to open up their heart to you. And I feel like in the past, this individual may have went back to someone from the past. For others of you, I feel as if I'm hearing for some of you, you separated with this individual and you may have thought that you were just on a break, but this person ended up getting married to someone else. For others of you, I feel like they had a friend from the past that was lingering around this actual connection. You may have tried to warn this person that their friend, quote unquote, doesn't like you or doesn't want you both to be together. And they may not have listened to it. This person, I feel, is very idealistic. They're very low. Okay. They are very stable and they're very practical. And it's almost as if there's nothing wrong with those traits I just described, but it's almost as if because they are in this energy, they only believe in what they see in front of them. So when you're trying to explain to them about the strange behavior from their friend, etc., they weren't listening to you. They had a loyalty over this friend over you, and it caused a divide to the happiness to the person that was getting in between both of your connection. For some of you, this person didn't really think about the future. They focused on the here and now. They focused on maybe just working, maybe just being single, because they were trying to run away from their emotions. And again, they did not envision that they will meet someone like you. You were just a fantasy, but their fantasy became a reality when they met you. They could not deny the fact that you stood out. They could not deny that you shone so brightly. You stood out from the rest. And I feel for some of you, this individual's friends and family played a huge part in this person's fears in regards to the connection with you. They felt, what are my family and friends going to think? For whatever reason. And it wasn't an accident that this person was thinking this way, because Spirit wanted this person to actually unpack why they were so reliant on the approval of their friends and family. They have been conditioned to appease friends and family for so long without realizing it until they encountered you. And Spirit wanted them to face the fact that they keep giving their power away. And by embracing the connection with you would actually free this person from the thoughts and opinions of others. But they fell for the bait. They fell into the trap, and they fell into fear. And for some of you, their fear was just a mindset. Because for some of you, their friends and their family members, especially their family members, do actually like you. But there's an energy of maybe an ex-partner intervening. Maybe they've got children with an ex-partner, and this ex-partner kept using the children as an excuse to lure the person that you're with or that you're connected to back to them. You may have been trying to warn this person and they weren't listening to you. And maybe you felt to yourself, you know what, I'm not going to say too much because I'm going to look like the bad guy. I'm going to look like I'm trying to intervene. I'm going to look like I'm trying to control. And so whoever intervened in this connection with you, they managed to hide how they truly felt about you and this person that you're encountering, or that you were encountering. They caused a lot of delays, and they brought up a lot of fears within you, and you had to face your shadow as well. But whoever this person is, or whoever these people are being closed off energetically from the person that you're dealing with, right? Your person is starting to disconnect from this person. Even if they are present within this person's vicinity, they're energetically disconnected from this other person. For some of you, they make excuses not to meet up with these family members, not to meet up with this friend. They reject invitations. You know, they may not connect with these individuals or this person in the same way, and this other person can feel it, because your person is starting to become strong in their spot. They're moving away from what other people want from them, and they feel like it's too late. You know, they are aware that they have allowed other people to get in the way of what they want, which is you, and it's led to their heartbreak. Because for some of you, you cut this person off. You don't want no parts. And whoever this person chose over you, chose to listen to over you, right? There is zero chemistry between the two of them. Your person is becoming quite angry with whoever they chose over you. They could be snapping at this person, or even if they are conversating with this person, spending time with this person, it's very detached. It's very matter of fact. There's no warmth. And whoever this other person is who got in the way of the connection with you. And the thing is, it's not about this other person getting in the way. The person you're dealing with allowed this other person to get in the way. Because at a time they may have felt like, you know, I've known this person for a long time. This person's got my best interests at heart. When all along, this other person wanted to isolate the person that you're with. And for some of you, to be in a romantic relationship with them. But they are now finding that the person that you are dealing with or that you dealt with does not want them. They're icing them out. Before, in the past, your person was recycling that icing out energy onto you, when in actual fact, they should have been doing it to this person or these people. This other energy or these other energies are very fearful of your person's options, and they know that your person is very focused on you. This is one of the reasons why they blocked, or they tried to block the connection. They're still trying to do it in the now. And they're growing very fearful. They're running out of strategic ideas, because part of their fear is that you and this other person are going to get married. So they've been sending out, you know, chaos magic, spell work, and it's backfiring. Because your person's growing stronger in their spot, they are able to move forward, and they want to move forward towards you because they feel like they made a huge mistake. The stronger your person gets, the less this other person can intervene. Your person wants to move towards you also because they can see how successful you are doing on your own. They want success.